You can earn $100 a day only with this site. To start, you only need a Gmail account that knows how to create an account easy. Well, for enter Trymata.com, click on the Get Paid to Test registration page comes up. See that you will be paid $10 for each test you take. Here, it is enough to write your name and Gmail account and enter a password for your account. And tick this box. After you click on the option to create an account, it will ask you a few personal questions and then ask you to verify your account. After verifying the account through the email sent to your email, you can access your profile space. Well, when you enter your profile, click on the My Test option to go to the test section that you have. Well, here you can see that the article will pay you $15 to $30 for each program or site that you test and tell your personal experience about that program or site. Well, click here to begin to start. Wait a little while to enter this page. Well, here you can see that the text is recorded only from the screen of your phone or computer, your cursor, and your voice. And this program has no access to your camera and does not record your face at all. Well, this is very easy and good. Well, click on the download option to download the recorder program of this site. Because I already downloaded it, I click on the option I already have the latest version installed. When the next page opens, watch this video and click on this option. Well, here you have to click on the launch option and test a site or program to be accepted on this site. After that, a large number of programs and sites will be available for you to test and announce your personality opinion to the site and receive $15 to $30 per test. Finally, you can receive your income by connecting your PayPal account to the site. I hope this video was useful for you. If you are looking for such videos and are interested in earning money online, be sure to take a look at our channel and channel playlists. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you.